Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor. In today's episode, we will talk about 180 Life Sciences Corporation traded at Nasdaq, ticker name ATNF. Well, ATNF, you can see, is showing today a big dark candle. What does it mean? It means that we started with the jump, with a very nice jump from yesterday almost being below 6. We started and touched even higher than 1050 today, but then declined all the way to 696. So still finishing the day positively, but there was enormous, downwards action, meaning that there was, of course, a lot of shorting taking place. And if you look at the volume traded, it is enormous. So just have a look here. This is the volume traded, and it's just incomparable with what is the normal noise level here. So what does it mean? It means that this still might continue. So you could see here that RSI was really growing high. So it still means that there are people with profit because this gap is still there. But what might be happening, it could be declining further or volatiling in the middle, because we finished at this very nice support level of at 696, which was also previously formed and is kind of historically, explained. But and this is important, that we are now actually, we rebound from very strong support level. We're sitting on the volatility, and the next question is, where are we going to go? Because will it continue this way downwards or not? Because in general, if you look at it, it is not that stable, and most probably there will be another, way to selling. So most probably it will be kind of a U-shape formation, similar to a little bit to what we saw here by mid of November, December, after this dark candle. So the price could slightly decline and then recover again. But in general, what we see is, of course, the major recovery of the stock, which was slightly broken. And you could see that from beginning of the year, from January 11, we started the classical waving recovery. Then it was broken in this blue-red channel, broken once, completely declined towards moving average 50, the SMA 50, this blue line. By the way, we have three moving averages here on the left. You see their legends. So this blue line, we recovered from it, and then we made another last wave, very big jump, completely recovered to the previous trading levels, and then the price didn't hold, so we are going down. So we need still more time, and here looks like the moving average 200, this red line, will still work as a kind of resisting level or attractor. Now it worked as an attractor here, because if you would imaginarily continue it, you could see that 2 times it was not pierced by price action in 15th of February, also by price action 15th of March, and now it works as an attractor. So what's the best way to trade here? Of course, the best way to trade here is to enter between the very strong, solid support levels, which is the first moving average 20 and the current lowest part. So it's 660 and 548. Yes, it's quite big broad channel, but also if you look, the volatility and price declines are also quite big here. So severe times, severe measures, as it said, and we need to also take this into account. So it will be between 548, 650 even. And this would be the first level to enter. And although it's a bit broad level, of course, but you need to enter it in portions. So you don't need to enter immediately on the top. You don't need to wait till the bottom. You can slowly enter with the position, with the money allocated for this channel. And then if the rebound takes place, immediately there will be also enormous volatility. You can make your profit. And here, since it's very volatile, we usually advise 10 to 15%, but due to big volatility on this chart, it's advised to take profit from 15 to 20%. Whenever you have it, really take it, because the profit taken is taken indeed. Until you press the sell button, there is no profit, as well as there is no loss. So take it re-enter or check out the opportunities at our channel as well. Still, what might be happening, of course, the market could think, well, it was too positive overreaction and then we could continue declining in the price. This is still possible due to technicality, but then we really need to be prepared for very severe and strong averaging down. And of course, this level will form the very strong channel here, which will be between actually 410 and 360, because this was the previous 2 times rebounds point during the recovery and during the major correction that took place by mid of March. So if we continue declining, this would be the second level to enter, still within the technical, let's say, approach, technical possibility, although yes, indeed very low, but again, as we said, the volatility is also quite low here, so it's still quite okay to see those volatilities, those declines. So to be more precise, this will be between 360, 415 even. And then again, whenever rebounds takes place, the profit target will be always 15 to 20. But if you're a midterm trader, let's say the moving average 200, SMA 200 is the price target if we go to the second channel. And then you can wait until there, because in general, we should go there volatile a little bit and then recover if there will be no negative catalyst coming in. And of course, the last thing what we need to do is mitigation of negativity. If there is any negative catalyst coming, which is still possible, it might be that the situation will return to where it was during the bad times, during this first decline of the price that took place by November. And then we just need to be prepared to average down and to enter in this very strong and many times confirmed channel between 250 and 3, where the price was sitting long period. And if we go there, it will be absolutely solid level to enter for averaging down. This is not expected, this is not predicted, but this is, let's say, a risk mitigations level, which will be 250 to 3. Only due to negative catalyst, some bad news, it might be going there. Though not expected at all, most probably the second channel will be reached, but not the third one. And still, because this is quite positive overall trade, there is no extra negativity hidden. It's still 5 portions play, so you can enter through the channels with 1-2-2 strategy. What does it mean? It means that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. You can buy with 1 portion in the first channel, with 2 portions in the second channel, and again with 2 portions in the third channel if needed to average down and if negativity comes due to negative catalyst. So with this being said, this is the numerical representation. If you are more for graphical one, you can look here. You can make a screenshot of this one and use it as a trading card for yourself. Of other parameters interested here, as I said, RSI is growing up, might be rebounding from the first channel, even which would be some flattening and growth, but also could be huge decline. So in that sense, it's not that decisive in its action. And MACD is also, it's, let's say, decreasing amplitudes, waving, and most probably will be flattening for a moment, also creating some uncertainty in the price action. So overall, what is expected is the trading at the first channel, of course, with some possibility going to the second. Third one is not expected. As I said, it's purely due to negative catalyst coming, but if it comes, we could go to those low levels again. And profit taking at 10 to 15%, 15 to 20% here. So again, don't be too greedy. This is very fastly moving one. So once you can take a profit, take it and re-enter if needed, or check out the opportunity. So with this being said, that's all for ATNF. Good luck with it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you're first time watching this video, and see you at in other episodes.